Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am so sorry for all of the noises. The roosters and the chickens are like crazy today and I'm so sorry for that. Anyways, so for today's video I put together 6 DIYs that are super easy and fun to make. You can do them like in 5 minutes or less, beginner friendly, and you can use them for Valentine's Day or you can switch some things, get the idea, and use them for every season. I hope that you like it and that you enjoyed today's video. Please let me know in the comments which of these ideas is one of your favorites. I think mine is the last one because it was so fun and cool and I think different to make. But let me know in the comments which one is yours. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and that you follow me on all my social media pages. All of I can't with the rooster. That you follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage JAZOMY.com, and my other channel JAZOMY Home. You're gonna hear so many more roosters in the other channel. Oh my god, I can't. Anyways, I hope that you like and enjoyed today's video. Let's get started.
For this project, you are going to need a vase or a planter. You can get these at the dollar store and they come in different colors and shapes and sizes. And I really like this one because it's pink and it's perfect now for Valentine's. Now, it's super simple and I really want to decorate it. Just give it some really cool touches, now for Valentine's. So I'm going to be using these small wooden heart pieces that you can get from Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is to use 2 different colors, the natural wood color and the pink hearts, and I'm gonna start sticking them on my planter. I'm going to be putting 2 of these hearts on each side, but you can add more or less depending on how big or small is your vase or planter that you are using for this project. Once I'm done with that part, this is how my vase look now, and I think it's super cute. A simple, easy DIY that anyone can do. Now I'm going to be putting some foam pieces inside of my vase. You can secure them by gluing them to your planter, and the next step is just to add some greenery or foliage or maybe flowers depending what you like. I'm going to be adding these like small bushes that I have from IKEA, and I think that looks super cute and nice. You can add these to the center of your dining table, or maybe put these on a shelf, or maybe on your bathroom, and you can also add like real plants if you want to. This next project is super easy. You're going to need one of these cylinder glass vase from Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do is to give this project an extra touch to make it a little bit taller, and it's going to give it a really high-end look. What I'm going to do is to use this cupcake stand that I have. Is actually from Hobby Lobby, I think, but you can also use candle holders from the Dollar Tree. Maybe paint them white or pink or red now for Valentine's. And I'm going to stick that. You can use hot glue or maybe E6000 just to make these super strong, but I'm going to be using just hot glue because I can remove these later and use it for something else. If you want, you can add or stick some hearts on your vase, but I really want to make these simple. I think that sometimes less is more, so I'm going to leave my vase just like that, and I'm going to be adding these beautiful heart marshmallows that I found, and I think they're so cute. I'm going to be putting those inside of my vase, and then I'm going to add a lid that I just get from a container from Dollar Tree, and this is perfect to add on your kitchen. It looks beautiful. Your kids are going to love it, and it's going to add a simple but really nice touch on your kitchen. This year, I really want to decorate my kitchen for Valentine's using very simple touches here and there. So I found these wooden signs from Dollar Tree. They come in like these XOXO and love and I think like family, things like that. And for this project, I'm going to be using the sign that says love. Now, if you want to use your sign just like that, you can do it. But if you want to add an extra touch, I'm going to show you how you can do that. I'm going to be using a piece of tape. I'm going to add that on the middle of my word, and then I'm going to be using some paint. I went for the white one, but you can use maybe pink or red or gray depending on the color that you are using now for Valentine's this year. And I'm gonna start painting all of that bottom part of the word. Once the paint is dry, you can remove your tape, and this is how it's going to look. You can add these to a tier tray, maybe to a riser or a shelf. I'm going to be putting this on my kitchen and it's going to look lovely. I am a little bit obsessed with cutting boards. I love them and I really like to use them on my kitchen just to decorate some walls, and I also really like to put them on my countertops. I have these 3 cutting boards that I really like, but like you can see, they're very simple, just one color, and I really want to add a small touch on one of them. I'm going to be using the smaller one, and I'm going to use one of these wooden hearts or like wooden ornament hearts from Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do is to add some paint on it. I'm really into like these soft pink now for Valentine's this year, so I'm going to be painting my heart in that color, and then I'm gonna let it dry. Once that part is ready, I just have to stick this with a little bit of glue on the center of my cutting board, and just like that, my project is done. I'm gonna put all of these cutting boards on my countertops in my kitchen, and this small cutting board is going to add the perfect touch. I think it's super cute, and you can do the same thing on every season. For this project, I'm going to be using these small pieces of wood that I just found at Home Depot. I'm not really sure for what they are, but I really like them, and I'm going to be using a lot of these on my projects, so I hope that you like this idea. If you don't find these, you can also use maybe like old pieces of wood that you have in your home, or like the Jumbo popsicle sticks. I'm going to be using 4 for this project, and I'm going to paint them a little bit just to give it some color and extra touch. So for that, I'm going to be using these Waverly wax in antique color. I'm going to add a little bit of water just to make the color lighter, and then I'm going to remove that extra wax or paint with a napkin. Once I have that part ready and the wood pieces are dry, I'm going to be making an X. So I'm going to be using 2 for the first one and the other 2 wood pieces for the other X. I'm going to stick them together using some hot glue, or you can use wooden glue. Once I have that part ready, you are also going to need like a very random piece of wood that I found under my house. I sand everything because it was in a really bad condition. I sand everything, and that's what I'm going to be using for this project, and I really like it. Now I'm gonna try to create the word XOXO, and for the letter O, I'm going to be using these super cute hearts that you can get at the dollar store. Now to stick these on your wooden piece, you can add maybe like a small wooden cube on the back just to make sure that all of them are going to stay straight. Now once I was done, this is how my project turned out, and it's super easy to do. You can do this like in 5 minutes or less. The longer that it takes is just the wax or paint to dry, but trust me, super easy, fun, and it's going to look perfect maybe on a shelf or the mantle on your fireplace or something like that. Okay, this next project is a super easy one and it's one of my favorites. I'm going to be working on my entry and it's all concrete, and what I'm going to do is first clean everything, and my husband helped me in this part. He cleaned everything with a washer pressure machine, and then once everything is dry, I'm going to be using some chalk. You can use white chalk or the colorful chalk, and you can get these at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be making so many hearts on my entry, and to make the perfect heart shapes you can use like one of these wooden pieces from Dollar Tree. That is going to help me a lot. And like I said, I'm going to be using many colors for the hearts. First I'm going to trace the shape of the heart, and then I'm going to start painting everything with the chalk. This is definitely one of my favorite projects because it's fun to do, and you can do it with your kids, or you can surprise your kids close to Valentine's Day. You can also add some words with the white chalk, maybe something that says hugs, XOXO, or loves, or something like that, and it's going to look beautiful. And guys, like I said, you can do this with your kids, or you can surprise your kids like I did. They love this idea because it's fun and colorful, and I just hope that you can get some inspiration from this. You can also try this on your pathway, or maybe if you have a concrete on your backyard. Please let me know in the comments which of these ideas is one of your favorite, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage JAZOMY.com, and my other channel JAZOMY Home. All of the links in the description box of this video and every single one. Again, my loves, thank you so much for the love and support, and see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.